Hi, hello mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hardin Mayora. And yes, guys, I'm back with my garden tour videos. So my first garden tour will be here in Iloilo Province, Municipality of Haniway with Sir Royce. Sir Royce is the... Sir, pwede ba?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Hello. Good
Sir Royce is
morning.
the owner of the Sansevieria 101 YouTube channel. So I will link his page channel on the description below later. So let's tour around his garden.
Thanks, Earl. So, ito yung parang entrance, hindi naman entrance. Yung yung start ng yung mga plants.
Uh-uh.
This is where we'll start the tour.
Okay.
And this is the, this is the, actually it's not finished yet because I'm planning to have a structure here where I will place nets for them to protect the plants because if there are no protection, they easily get sick, especially the
Yes.
Trifasciata. So
Trefasciata.
this is the first of my collections, and then those are underneath the roof. There's a few of them because I have been neglecting them for a time. So some of them were not watered, and then some sadly they died off.
So that's one benefit of having Sansevierias because some really can survive
Survive.
even without
Uh,
watering for a very long time. So this is uh,
that's Chang.
Huchang. Hybrid, sir, right?
Yeah, hybrid.
This is
So the
hybrid.
problem with this,
Mm.
actually I got this from Mamiglo.
Mm.
The only the variegation is only
On the
coming
mother
from the
plant.
mother plant, and then the offshoots or offsets don't have variegations anymore.
Galing dito sa kanya to, sir, no?
No, from
Affinis?
this is Bella Affinis
Yes.
from Amazon Aroids.
Okay.
Silver. No, that's platinum.
Platinum. This is very pretty. I think this is Rhodesiana.
Yeah, that's pink
Pink
rhodesiana.
Rhodesiana. It has really have a pink
Pinkish
hue on its
in the
base
base.
and the base of
It's
its
also
leaf.
a controversial Sansevieria because some of the experts think that it's not the real Rhodesiana.
Rhodesiana,
So it's
okay.
like a hybrid.
So here are some. Sir Rossi started collecting also during pandemic
Yes.
time. So we started at the same period.
Yes. Actually, I told Earl already that I started collecting Sansevierias because of the ailment of my mother. She has asthma and she has very weak lungs. So I was looking for plants that would help out with her illness, even just for a bit.
Mm.
And I saw online that Sansevierias clean the air,
Mm, yes.
and even if it's just for a small portion, at least it helps
Mm.
out in
Purifying.
purifying the air around
Yes, the air
our
quality.
home. Most of these are hybrids.
This is our collection
Uh, yeah, Richards R0979.
979. Yes. Eto sir, ba't manipis ang kanyang pinguicula?
That's
No.
also a controversial um, Sansevieria because this one is called longleaf pinguicula.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah,
remember that?
yes.
But usually in the wild, pinguiculas really have very long leaves, even longer than this if they mature. So calling them long leaf pinguicula, it's like misleading because
Mm.
I think it's better to call them narrow leaf because they're narrower compared to the
Others, yeah.
normal. This
Yeah,
one is
this one.
no, normal pinguicula, but this is still small.
Mm-mm.
This one is also, I think this is called in the market as
Dagger.
pinguicula. Yeah,
Dagger,
dagger. And then
yes.
the leaves are stouter and then shorter. So that's a problem with horticulturalists or the breeders because they want to call it species or cultivars even though they're hybrids or
Correct.
they're seedlings, and then they would just invent something
For
yeah,
for 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 marketing purposes, yes.
marketing purposes. Um, this one is the unicorn. I'm sorry because there are a lot of cobwebs. I wasn't able to clean them. So that's how it looks like when it's really matured. It has very long leaves.
Long and narrow
Yeah,
leaves,
long.
yes.
And sometimes they take fan shaped form.
Yeah. Sir, this is
This is also controversial sa Siberia. It's
personnel?
no, it's
No?
Angola.
Angola, yes. Yes, yes.
They say that it's also Personiae, but
Yeah.
I doubt because I disagree because Personiae is this one.
Yes, it
Has
grows big.
it has a stouter end tip.
The tip is different.
The tip is different. Angola is has sharper,
And then shorter.
short,
Shorter leaves.
shorter leaves, yeah, and then really sharp.
Tip.
Personi
Yes.
is just a short, and then looks like a dried blood leaf tip.
Yes. So those
And then the
are
shape, they're also
different.
different.
So those are just some checkpoints
Yeah.
to identify some
It's really the sometimes for sativerias that are this form, especially Personi eyes. Uh, it's very hard to identify them, so we would check the leaf tips. This one, by the way, is a true Rhodesiana.
this is that's
It's not very pretty. The leaf tips are very sharp.
yes.
So we identify the difference between Rhodesiana, Personiae through the leaf tips. So
I see, I see.
um, Rhodesiana has a very thin leaf ends and then very sharp.
Very
leaf tip.
sharp, yes. And then there's no blood.
Yeah, there's also a
Na,
blood blood like
yeah,
color.
color, dried blood like.
It's very sharp. Angola is also very sharp, but it's thicker than Rhodesiana.
Yes.
And this one, this very big one, is quite rare. This is Perotti eye,
Mm.
but this is not the normal Perotti eye because this is already the darker version. The lighter
Normal.
version
Ah, yes.
is that.
That's what I have.
Yeah. So this is very hard to find, and I was just lucky to have spotted being sold in what you call this, a plant show.
Ah, I
And
see.
then it was really small. I thought it was a Rorida, but when it grew,
Rurida. That's when you get it, sir. That's very small. Okay.
It's very small when I first got it, so you can really mistake it as Rorida. But yeah, and the seller is selling it as
Rorida.
Rorida. But I know it isn't Rorida. That's why I bought it because it looks very unusual to me, and the color is if you're familiar with my Rorida is back there. It's very ugly when it's when it's already matured. It's not very
Yes.
cute. But the color is very much like Rorida. So the seller told me it's a kind of Rorida, which I'm doubtful because I
Yes, guys. When Rurida matures, it also look like
it grows very long.
robusta,
Yeah.
robusta like when it matures.
This is my pistol.
That's one of my
See, they're yellowing because
that's one of my dream
you
Sansevieria.
don't have a pistol.
None yet, sir. I have one. I got one, but it died. And sir has a giant.
This is Mashunana. This is my own cultivar,
Oh,
and you can see that the whitish variegation is only at the middle part, and
Yes.
it's not very it's not very white like the usual
Variegation,
white
yes,
Mashunana that you can see in the market.
so if the variegation is on the middle of the leaves, we sometimes call it as medyo picta.
Yeah, it's
That's
medyo
medyo picta.
meaning it's planted in the middle.
Mm.
These are also Masunianas, but it's the common one.
Yes, that is marginata
Yeah,
because the variegation is on the edge of the leaves. Guys, ha, dito pa lang tayo sa bungad. And Sir Gardens, Sir Roy's garden is around the house. This is Pipito hybrid.
Yeah, that's actually Dina. It's one of
Dina.
the rare
Rarest.
ones.
Yeah, the
So,
rare one. Not rarest, rare one.
rare one. So people that want Dina should be careful because there are a lot of sellers selling
Claiming.
claiming that they have Dina.
Yes.
But you would know because it's really different from Nena and the others.
This one, sir, is a green.
This one, this is already a hybrid coming from Indonesia. This is, I think, I forgot the name, but it's from Indonesia. It's the one. It's I think you have it. No.
Wala pa, sir.
I forgot the name. Later on,
You'll
I'll tell you,
remember.
but,
Okay.
this
So
one,
this is a hybrid.
yeah,
Hybrid.
this is already
This
a
is
hybrid, but Indonesian.
Indonesian hybrid. Chances are this is also one parent will be Kirki
Yeah,
Eye.
Turkey Eye, Pulcha.
Yeah, Polskra. And that's a big
That's
Bella.
also Bella Affinis.
Bella Affinis.
I think that silver already became greenish.
Affinis, guys, means relative.
Relative.
Relative to Bella. And this is
This is
variegated.
Deserti Eye.
Deserty Eye, sir?
Yeah. Still we
Deserty Eye also is
identify
they
certain-
claim they claim
Yeah.
related to Persony Eye.
But you see, it's really different.
Correct.
It has thinner
Leaves.
cylindrical leaves compared to the first one that we
Yeah.
talked about.
When it's variegated. Ito, sir.
This is Rhodesiana.
Ah,
It's the
that's
same as
the-
that. But
the
this one is
same.
the bigger one.
Okay.
So very sharp.
So this is the real
Yeah,
Rhodesiana.
that's a real one. It's not very appealing to the eye.
I think this is Banting?
Banting.
Banting. This is hybrid.
Blue Tower, I think.
Yeah, that's a hybrid.
And these are the Trifasciatas. You see, they're becoming very sick because I have been neglecting them. It's one of the rare Trifasciatas
Yeah.
having
White.
white.
The edge is
edge.
white. Yeah. That's the difficulty of keeping trifasciatas. They need the constant
Constant,
attention.
They're very clingy.
Yeah. They're very clingy compared to the this type of Sansevierias.
This one is also Bella Affinis, but it's the blackish one.
Mm.
The new leaves are lighter in color, but as they grow into maturity, they become very dark.
This one I think from
Sugarlands,
Asar Glance, yeah. Sayan?
Api or something.
Ah,
I'm not
okay.
sure.
That's not Sayan. That's not Sayan. Ang ganda rin ng kanyang
Oh.
markings. This is a Bonsal hybrid.
Bonsal hybrid, but I can't. It's one of Charon Saxo.
Hybrid.
I already forgot the name.
Yeah.
There are a lot of
There are a lot of hybrids from Bonsal.
Charon Sax. And he's just naming them to his breeder codes.
Because guys, it's very easy to hybridize from Bonsal and then they grow very fast. That's why there are a lot of hybrid from Bonsal. On this
So
one,
already mixed up. This one is Erendel. I'm tagging them because I can't remember. This one is my own hybrid.
oh yan. Kahit si Sir nag-hybrid din kasi siya.
I haven't named it. It's just having some tags.
Yeah,
So,
codes.
And then you have up here, this is the original Tam Grumbly.
Oh,
So Bali Tam Grumbly,
yes.
you'd notice because it's really
Silvery.
silvery in color, not
Correct.
not the normal Bali eye.
This guy is the
That's the normal Bali eye.
normal Bali eye. And then this one is the Bali eye Tom Grumbly.
Tam Grumbly.
You'll notice the color of the leaf is different. It's silvery.
This one is Hargesiana, Hargesana.
Uh-uh.
And that's the real one because the bloom is just as tall as this one.
Correct, yes, sir.
Actually, it has already bloomed.
Oh, it bloomed
And
already.
actually I have a video of it, but I'm really I have an injury right now. So I can't,
Yes, guys,
make
visit
video.
Sir Royce's YouTube channel because mostly of his content is educational.
Right.
Mine is only touring around like that. Sir Royce is, that's why it's Sansevieria 101.
This one is Suprothicosa
Y-
jumbo. And
oh nga,
usually
sir.
the Suprothicosa is thin leaves, but
Thin
that
and
one is
then
curved.
long. Yeah, this one is, the lip is short and then fat. And then that is Lady Gaga, I'm sure.
Yeah, Lady Gaga. It's also
My,
blooming.
yes, mine is also blooming. This one is very pretty.
I think that is
Bonsel, Ghost,
Devil.
Devil. I think I had this, I got mine from Mananglo.
Oh yeah, from
Mami
that's from
Glo.
Mami Glo.
Yes, that's
She
from Mami Glo.
actually gave that to me as a gift.
And then this is also a
Chamansak hybrid
yes, a hybrid from
from
Bonsal
Thailand.
also, from Thailand. And then the base is also pinkish. Sir, ito, ang ganda rin ito. This is also hybrid.
I think this is my hybrid.
Your hybrid?
I can't remember. I can't remember because I've neglected some of them. So
Ang ga-
yeah, I think this is one of my hybrids.
Ang ganda, sir, ng kulay. Ang ganda ng kanyang
I
markings.
even lose the tag because my caretaker would usually get these weeds off and then they include a tag.
Yes.
So
And then the tag got
yeah,
lost.
the tag. And this one is the normal perote eye. Like I mentioned, the first one is really dark in
Yes,
color.
and this is lighter. Correct.
This is the normal perote eye. It's just green in color, not dark. It hasn't bloomed for me for the longest
Oo nga,
time.
sir. And then, mabilis siya magbigay ng pop sa'yo, ng offset.
Not really because for the span of I think how many years I just got this two. This one, the first one is at the back. So it's span of, I think 5 years. It gave me two very large offsets.
So mine also, I got mine around 2022 and it hasn't given me any offset yet. So, they're really
They're not
holding. Holding their
giving.
pops. They're not giving.
they're not
Correct.
giving you pops.
This is a silver hybrid. This is Chaucer?
Beginning Chanin.
Chanin. So, Chanin. This is Chanin. Some guys, if you will observe, some Chanin has a fan type formation. Yeah, this one is different. So we cannot control how will they behave.
Yeah, we cannot.
That's the beauty of Sansevieria.
I am beginning to forget the names of Santiago. This is also one of
Silver
silver
hybrid.
hybrids of Suwan Onyamani Garden.
This is very pretty. This is Banlo variegated.
Bonus George.
So guys, wala pa akong ganito. One, is still expensive, and the second
Yeah.
one is because it's highly variegated. Sometimes it's also difficult to take
Difficult to take
care.
care of.
Yes, if it's highly variegated. So mostly, if I think I got one now from
Ed? No.
no sir, from Cebu,
From Cebu?
from Manang Mildred.
Ah.
But I only get small one, and then it's not heavily variegated as this one. This is I only get straighted.
This one is from Ed. And then Ed's bonus torch is growing very tall.
Oo nga sir.
I think he top cut it or removed the top part
Mm.
several times already.
And then next location,
Some
see, this is
trifasciata.
trifasciata. Already gave up.
Give up.
I have a lot of this katana. I already
Katana.
threw it because they are difficult to manage.
They're prone to aphids also.
Yes,
and,
I observe, sir.
Millibugs.
Millibugs and aphids. This is DGC, right?
This one is Labranos two. I think I remember beginning to forget the numbers. 21258, I think.
Though, yung from Davao, sir? Nakuha mo sa Davao yan?
No, this one is from Rochelle.
Ah, okay. Kasi I think I got mine from Davao, yung clinic claim nila na DGC, dark green clone.
Ano, this one is the 23258, I think.
Okay.
The one that's this one is the dark green clone.
Yun,
Robusta.
siyan. Robusta DGC.
Actually, that's where I planted it with a pot, but it's already growing.
Running.
Running from the ground already.
Yes.
This one is it has variations on it.
Sabi ko na nga ba, sir, yung the one they're claiming Star Canary?
Oh, I know that's different. This is star canary when it grows into maturity.
Yes.
So you can't find any resemblance from whence you bought it first.
Yes.
Because it looks very different.
Guys, the one we usually buy in the market with this star, the leaves are like a star. Those are from leaf, usually leaf
Yeah,
leaf propagation. This one is
Already the matured form.
the matured form. See, it looks like robusta, the
Yeah.
form,
It is.
but it maintains its variegation.
The only one that the only trait that it's remaining is that it's kind of yellowish on
Yes,
the
Akebono.
akebono
Akebono
on the
vari-
new leaves. Only on the new leaves,
Yes,
but
sir.
when they grow, then
So that's the usual behavior of the Star Canary, the Akebono variegation. Sir, ang ganda nito. Ang taba.
I forgot the name.
This is also, guys, I'm sure,
Yeah.
this is also from Bonsel. From Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah. Ang taba, guys, ng
This one
kanyang,
is Thailand.
ang taba ng
This one
kanyang
is
dahon.
Pink Monsel.
Ang ganda. Hindi na,
These are already neglected.
the color cannot be justified on the video compared to the personal. This is Crazy Crab? Hindi, sir. Hindi.
No, I think it's one of Charon Chaks as well.
Also.
They also removed the tag, so I can't identify it.
Ayan.
Mahal ako.
Manacorn. Oh, it's in bloom.
There are still some tags left, like this one. This is Vienna.
Vienna. This is non-variegated
The
Vienna.
others, they removed the tag, so you have to check the videos again. You bring this one with you. These are some of my neglected hybrids, so they don't have a name yet.
Ikaw na, this is your personal hybrid, sir?
Yeah,
Oh.
but there's more at the back, so I'll show you later.
Okay, this is Gabriela, guys. So, alam ko hindi pa rin nag-fade.
That's Gabriela.
Many still find this beautiful until now. This is Lancet.
Yeah,
Lancet.
that's it.
Yes.
Parva Lancet.
Parva.
This
Parva
is
Lancet.
also Parva, the normal one.
Parva, this is the gilted
edge.
edge. Gilt edge. So, same guys, the variegation is on the edge of the leaf. This is the original Parva, guys, ha? The leaves are narrow. Okay? Hindi yun yung malalapad, iba yun.
Roxburghiana.
That's the Roxburghiana.
The,
the one-
the common one that you can see.
Yes, everywhere. Everywhere on the...
Those are what remains of the Trifasciatas. Oh my.
Ayan. Si Sir kasi, he just got surgery. Surgery on his shoulder. So, he cannot...
Able to take care of them.
Yes. Nevertheless, Alat are still beautiful. See, this one, it has a purpley.
I forgot that that's Charon Sak also.
Chanangsak also. Sir, ano to? Fishery to? Hindi.
This one is China Yan's hybrid. He calls it Tarzana,
Tarzana.
but it's not common in the market. So.
Yes. Hindi ko siya kilala. So, this is not yet, this is still rare. This one, sir, is
Athiopica.
Aetiopica. Aetiopica, guys, is a species.
Yes.
This is, and then, sir's Aetiopica is variegated and it's in bloom.
Bloom, yes.
This is the one they claim as Blue Angel.
Yeah, blue angel.
Oh, it's Blue Angel. So I'm correct. And then,
Yes.
oh yeah, kay Sir Jess. Oy, kahit si Sir Jess, sir,
Ay, hindi na nagano.
hindi nahihirapan na rin siyang umakyat sa kanyang garden.
This is Dragon Tendon.
Oh, that's Dragon Tendon. And the form is towering, going up.
Doing it.
Okay. Ito, sir, ay silver
Ice something, Iceman.
Iceman. Ay. Guys, this is neglected, ha? The condition is neglected, but it's very pristine. Our favorite copper tone variegated. Kirky Eye Pulchra Copper Tone.
I like this variegation because it looks like gold when when it's
Hit by
it
sun.
has it gets sufficient sunlight.
Mm. Sir, this one?
Which one? This is a species as well. I forgot. This one is from Bari. He left it in a friend in Thailand, and I went to Thailand to get it. Because he
Oh,
told me, I have a friend in Thailand. I have some plants there. You go to Thailand, you get some of my plants.
oh, this is a species,
Yeah,
guys.
species. But I forgot the name. And there's no tag as well. They also removed it. Vulcan CI, I think.
Ah, okay, so that's the real Vulcan
Yeah,
CI.
Vulcan CI.
Meron akong Vulcan CI. It's a hybrid from Vulcan CI. So this is the real form of the Vulcan CI.
And this one is also intermedia, I think. It's also controversial. And it's also blooming.
Ayan, so ma-identify mo na, sir.
Oh,
Because one way to identify a plant is through its
so
bloom,
it's bloom.
inflorescence.
So I'll check if it's the same with Vulcan CI, but I think Alan Butler said it's intermedia or something.
Look at the markings, guys. It has a very fine green lines on its every leaves. Malaki pala ito pag lumaki siya.
Oh, that one. What do you call it?
Nakalimutan ko din.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
It's actually growing good there.
Kaya nga, sir. Kaya sabi ko neglected, but they are still on the pristine condition. Okay.
Pink. Believe it or not, this is fernwood.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the mature fernwood.
oh. Mature fernwood pag lumaki siya, pag nag-mature siya, malaki talaga.
Yeah, it's very big.
Very big.
If you haven't grown fernwood into maturity, then you would.
You will, yeah. I cannot,
be able to
actually, I cannot
identify
identify it kasi it looks different pag mature siya. Sir, this is the Kirky Eye. Right?
Yeah, Kirky Eye.
Kirky
This is
Eye
also
variety
one of my
Kirky Eye.
hybrids.
From Lablab?
No, Obritiana crossed with Cylindrica.
Huh?
Yeah.
Guys,
The leaves are like they're like
Lablab, yeah. It's this is the one parent is Obrechana. Obrechana has a flat leaves.
Yeah.
Has flat leaves.
But the genes coming from Cylindrica is
Yeah.
very strong, so
So it got the characteristic of the
this
cylindrica.
is the one of the parents
One
right
of the-
here. So that's the difference. Because Obritiana's leaves are silvery
Correct,
or lighter in
correct.
color. So that's the only trait that it got. And then the leaves that are like bow and arrow.
Wala, sir, original ang kanyang leaf. Wala. Walang nakuha. Only cylindrical leaves. That's all.
This is Bob.
Wala yung sa akin, namatay.
Malaki.
Kaya nga, sir, malaki na din yun.
It's
That's
very-
from Pipito, right?
I think it's Pipito cylindrica.
Halos in bloom din lahat. Ah, this is the Lablab. Ano? Flamingo.
No, it's Lablab.
Lablab.
That's the mature one.
Oh.
That's how it looks like when it's matured. Here's the love shape of.
Ah, yeah, there. It's the heart. That's why it's called Lablab.
You can't identify it anymore when it's
So, ang ganda rin ito. What's this?
forgot the name. I'm beginning to forget.
Silvery also. So, wag na. Hayaan mo na. Silvery also in
Yeah.
color. Ay, ang laki ng down si eye.
LTI. And the top is very heavy. So
Cool.
if you won't do something to help it, it will
Fall down,
Fall down.
and then mapaputol yung mga dahon
Putol.
niya. Ito rin to, baka mamaya pink bonsal din to eh.
that's rookie.
Ah, that's the rookie. O, iba yung tsura niya guys pag nag-mature. Iba yung tsura niya. Ang dami pa. Ala, may nakita akong still on my wish list. Datuhan, yung malaki. The Obrechana. Lurik, yes. Guys, ay, andito pala ang mga rare ni
This is
sir.
the rare species.
Yeah,
Here. It's
guys.
a type of turkey.
Oh my goodness. These are rare collections of
This one I
sir.
got from Bari as well.
From Thailand.
You see his initial is YS.
Yes.
That's Yinger and Sikawa. And this is the 200th plant that
Collection
they
number.
collected.
Guys, ang ganda nito. Oh, grabe.
No pops. Yung offset yun.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay.
This one is also species.
Karamihan sa collection ni sir na species are still in collection number. Wala pa silang particular name.
And then the tags are lost again. Pemba type 2.
This is Pemba type
It's
2.
very expensive kanilang tsura niya.
Ay, wala pa pala akong Pemba. Iba pala yung nakuha ko. Vanilosa pala yun. These are still rare, guys. O, tingnan nyo yung characteristic ng kanyang dahon. Cylindrical on the base and then flat leaf on the... parang spoon type. Spoon type din
They grow spoon leaf type.
ang kanyang dahon. This is, sir.
So, fishy, but I don't know where they put the tags anymore.
Like Iyasi?
No,
No.
it's a rare type. This one is vanilla.
Oh, see? Vanilosa din.
Vanilosa din.
Guys, yung Vanilosa ko na dinisplay ko, see on my Instagram account. See, it looks very different because Vanilosa has, I think, different types also, different collection number. Ito, sir.
Also a species. I think this is one of the species found in Gulwe.
Okay.
It's also Capricorn variegated.
Ang ganda niyan, sir. Ang ganda ng kulay.
That's the harder to get.
Variegation. And then this one, guys.
This is also a rare turkey. I think they're turkey species from Yukolo.
From Yokolo.
Yukolo, yeah.
The name, guys, is still on the place where it was collected. Oh my.
This one is Bumba.
Ang ganda. Grabe. Ito rin, sir. Vanilosa ito.
That's
Ano ba, bida-bida na naman ako. Hindi ko hindi.
I'm beginning to forget the name. Nikiti Nasi.
That's Nikiti?
Yeah, but it's small. I have bigger one.
Yeah, I saw in front. Guys, that's the
Lurik.
Lurik. Still on my wish list because it's very expensive. That size is very expensive.
There are smaller sizes that are sold, but I don't think it will grow
Like that.
like that. It will take a very long
Ta-
time.
yeah. Ay, ito pa pala. Rare pa to.
I think this is. I'm beginning to forget.
Kailangan, Sir Royce,
They're losing the tags as well. When they get the weeds, they get the tags.
at least Sir Royce has a video. A lot of
Yeah.
videos to review so he can remember the IDs.
And this one is the Samurai Salaf or the
Anong new name ng salaf natin, sir?
we forgot.
Dufarica.
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 The normal, and then there's a
Variegated.
variegated one in there. I hope it survived because they're subjected to sometimes the rain would get in the side. So
Yeah, usually pag sa wall, doon magagaling yung tubig eh. Okay, dahan-dahan. This is also Bella.
Bella Affinis,
Affinis, yes.
the one that Aritz is selling, I think before 15K for this.
Guys, you can find now Bella on
lower prices.
lower prices, yes. But the variegated Bella are still expensive.
Yeah, that's the flamingo.
That's the flamingo, finally, yeah. It has orange or
Orange,
pinkish base on the leaf. Sir, iba rin ang itsura nito. This is Marco Polo?
No, Maya.
Ah, okay. Iba rin ang kanyang itsura. And more.
Because most of the time, when they're sold, they don't look like that. So
So this is the...
this one is silver blue. This one is Scimitar Reforme silver, and I haven't. There's a lot of
No problem, sir. I can relate. Oh, this one is this is rare.
3.
Pemba type 3. Ito na, sir, oh. Iba. Fishery yan.
Fishery black.
Guys, it's really black. Wala na yung markings ng fishery na nakikita natin normally. Yeah, this is black fishery. Oh, this is also rare, I'm sure.
Pemba.
Type 1 Pemba. Sir, silver ang type 1, di ba?
Yeah, if you subject them to strong sunlight,
Mm.
then they will become silver.
Silvery.
If it's shady like this, they
Okay.
become green.
So, the type 1 is the silver Pemba.
Yeah. The silver ones are the new leaves.
Ay, sa bagay, makikita mo siya doon, oh. But you cannot yet see the spoon type.
Spoon type.
I'm sure this one is also
Uh,
rare.
This one is Gulwe.
See? The name is still collection. The name of the plant or the identity is still where it was collected.
Where it was collected, yes.
The name of the place.
It's Wenji.
Oh, Wenjibat. Wenjibat, sir, right?
Yeah.
Wenjibat.
Mga Lisa.
Oh. Ang laki rin pala nito.
They grow very
May nakuha ko kay Sir Jess eh. It will grow big
Yeah.
pala.
It will grow big.
Pag sa bagay, maliit kasi yung pasok ko eh. This one, sir,
It's
is
a
Pipito hybrid.
That's the one that we call newspaper.
Newspaper. Okay, so this is the newspaper. And the leaves is
Also
twisting.
neglected. Yeah, you see there's a
Parang umiikot itong kanyang bagong dahon, twisting.
twisting.
Ito, sir, nagpipinkish. This is
Bat. Pink
pink
bat.
bat.
Yeah, pink bat. This is super pink. But there are bigger ones at the back.
So I'm already
Halfway through.
halfway through Sir Royce's garden. Ano to, Sir Bruda?
No, it's the one that you bought from Paul.
Yung bago lang, yeah.
Yes,
Collection name pa lang yung nasa akin.
This one is a matured one.
Ang lapad ng dahon
Yeah.
niya, yeah. On my last video, guys. Strong ang Bruda, sir, no?
Yeah. Actually, this isn't Pruda. This is my cultivar of the Masunyana that's
Okay, so
White,
pag hindi train ng inyong mata, you can easily get mistaken na Bruda siya. But this is Masunyana. This is Sir Royce's own cultivar. The variegation is on the middle. Medyo pikta.
This one is also from Bari. You see the look is just it's not pleasing to the eye, but it's very rare. It's YS 256.
Guys, these are collected from its natural habitat.
These are hybrids, but I have neglected them. So look at how they look like now. It's because of the
Ay, oh! Ang daming hybrid, sir. Nagulat ako.
this one is a seedling coming from Dancing Dragon.
Oh,
And I think I paired it with
one parent.
Cordova. I think yeah.
Yeah. The leaf is, you can already see it
Flat.
as young as this. It's silvery, same as the Dancing Dragon. That's your, sir, galing kay Quantono, Mananglo.
Oh.
Yung sinasabi niyang hybrid niya ng cylindrica.
Oh.
Yeah. The same. I also got one from Manang Gloria. Mami Glo, not Manang Gloria.
Sir, I have neglected them, so I haven't transferred. These are my own hybrids too.
Ito rin, sir? Ay, hindi.
Yeah, my own hybrid.
Ha? Really?
Yeah.
Ang ganda nito. Ay, ito yung andun. Parang kamukha niya.
from the same parent but different seed. So
Oh.
it will look. This is my own hybrid too. They're kinda
Parang yung lion heart. Lion's heart yung kanyang form, but this is Sir Royce's own hybrid. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng form.
it's because of the extreme heat that they're shriveling.
Yeah, shrinking yung kanyang mga dahon kasi pag sobrang init na.
Very difficult to grow the
Kirki
pipito.
ay?
Yeah, it's a Pipito hybrid, Dina, and I think Dina, and what did I pair with it?
Oh, ang ganda guys. Kita mo na agad yung Kirki ay na character niya.
But they're really difficult
Silvery.
because the middle part can easily rot
Oh.
when they're small. Those are still my own hybrids.
Also?
Actually, they were supposed to be shipped to Poland, but it was returned because of the problem with
Documentation.
the documents. But I'm still holding it for the owner because they already paid for it.
Okay. Sold na pala tong mga to. Already bought. Supposedly to be sent to Poland.
Sent back from
But
Poland.
due to documentation, that's the problem here in the Philippines. It's difficult to export
Very
plants.
difficult.
Pero sa Thailand at saka sa Indonesia, ang bilis.
Yeah.
Kaya lugi na naman yung mga nag-hybrid kagaya ni Sir.
Lugi yung mga Philippine
Oo.
breeders, lugi.
Lugi ang mga Philippine breeders kasi mahirap mag-ship
Hindi sinusuportahan ng government.
government.
I
Yeah.
left it,
One way, yes.
Yeah.
That's one way to
This is my
easiest
own
way.
hybrid as
Also,
well. Yeah.
ang ganda guys ng
Yeah,
kanyang
that
new
is,
leaf.
I don't know why the new leaves became very, very long. But I left it during the night time, and it rained during the night, and then it filled out all the.
Ay, ang ganda. Sulit na sulit kayo pag nanonood kayo guys. This is already 42 minutes. At we're almost there on the finish line.
Those are also my hybrids, some of them.
Guys, ito yung pinag-aawayan ng marami. This is not arborescence, okay? Again, this is not arborescence. This is dometescence.
Dometescence, yes.
Okay, variegated dometescence.
And it's Bagamayonisis.
Yes. Variegated to sir
Yeah,
or
variegated.
sunstress? Okay, this is variegated.
It's variegated. Then too much sun also.
Ito sir, personal mo. Ay, ito rin. Malamang.
Yeah.
These are your
Uh,
hybrids also.
I paired it with the Nena,
Yes, this is...
Forwood and Nena. And you see how difficult it is to really
Ay,
grow them.
oo nga. Oo.
They're dying.
Pero ito,
One is,
sana makasurvive. This is a characteristic of Nena.
Sometimes if you forgot to water them, that's why I'm just putting it where there's no root because it will be watered on their own.
Kaya guys, hindi ako nag-hybrid kasi I don't work in the Philippines. Overseas Filipino worker ako. So, tingnan mo kung gaano kahirap yung pag-aalaga. Kaya kung wala kang talagang nakatutok,
Yeah, they will not survive.
Ay,
This is Mikupi. This is what's left of my Mikupi.
ang ganda sir.
This is just one leaf
Also,
because it's rotted. it
it rotted.
So this one is surviving. And I hope
It will give up.
because when it's not living,
Mm.
the leaf will curl.
Yeah.
But if it's wide, then it's healthy.
Meron din akong ganito nung kakukuha ko kay Sir Jess. Ang ganda. Malit lang din yun sa akin, sir. Malit lang din yun. At
It was
naka-curl
supposed to be big, but then it started rotting.
yung yung main plant niya. So, offset na to?
No,
Hindi.
that's really a leaf.
New leaf. Baka yung
Yeah.
lumang leaf niya.
Yeah.
Lumang
The
leaf niya.
surviving leaf that I managed to save. That's the dwarf Consina.
Consina.
I forgot the number as well.
Guys, Consina also has different collection numbers. Iba-iba kasi ang
Iba-iba
sizes niya.
This one I bought this as Pinguicula, but
Hindi.
you can see it's not
It's
Pinguicula.
a pinguicula. I
This is
think.
sweet celery, and
Mm-mm.
I also neglected it.
Ang pretty leaves. Pretty ng Ay, ito rin Sir Kirky ay.
Yeah, this is just the Kirkivar Pultra, not the
Oh,
copper tone.
yes, this is they call the green Kirky eye. That's the Pulskra only.
Yeah, this is Pultra.
And this
That's
is
my own. I grew that bonsel. I took that bonsel from the mother when it started variegated. So
ah
it's really a bonsel that came from a variegated
nan
bonsel that I grew myself.
so nanvar ang kanyang parents
Oh,
sir,
yeah.
oh, yan.
And then there's also Nanbar.
Ganun talaga.
Yeah.
Yung sa akin meron akong half moon yung kalahati niya, green yung kalahati ay variegated. This one also is bonsai and
That's
then
the crazy crab.
it's very pretty. If it's when it's clumping, it's really. And this is Godzilla.
See, I really
With
got this.
Godzilla. Okay, Godzilla with Godzilla.
This is Islandses.
Ah,
It used to be very healthy, but after it bloomed, started to
shrink.
lose leaves and get sick.
Ganyan din yung sa akin, sir. Ano ba yung underwater?
I'm not sure,
Hindi
but
naman, oh.
it's just I think after
Normal.
blooming, it becomes weak.
And then, yung pop niya is cylindrical talaga, hindi siya parang nag-shrink na ganito. Yung pop niya, mukhang normal.
Normal.
Oo. Ito, sir, black?
Yeah, black bonsai.
Black bonsel. Very mature also. This is,
This is actually a true silver copper from Thailand.
yeah, I also have one.
You have one.
Yeah. Binigay ni Princess.
Bigay ni Ben.
Oo,
Yeah,
baka galing kay Sir Paul.
Sir Paul.
Oo.
Because usually people would sell you silver copper and it's just normal,
Copper tone. Guys, ang silver copper, ang kanyang dahon ay bendable. Not like the usual kiriki ay na sobrang
This
tigas.
one I thought it was silver copper
Mm-mm.
because it really looks like silver copper, but look at the
The new leaves.
The new leaves.
The offset,
it's,
hindi na.
It's really different from the
Yes.
silver copper
And this is Staki
over. Ano,
Fishery. Fishery.
And then this is Tokiai.
Staki. Guys ha, ganito ang mature form ng fishery. Nagiging singularis siya. Okay, and this is our
Stoki.
Stuki or Staki.
But I got my Stoki a bit later than I got fishery, so
Fisher.
it's smaller than. If I
Yeah.
got them at the same time, then they should be the same size. Those are the honey eyes.
Mostly bats or haliay, baseball bat, green bat. Green bat is different. Green bat is Simurum.
Simayurum. Yeah.
Yes.
This is blue, the normal, Malawi bat, silver, and then CH
316.
316.
Yes. From Sir Just also I have
And
one.
that's mocha.
Mocha. This one is different.
Yeah, this one is forgot
Malawi?
the name again. Lundi bat.
Alundi. Okay, so kaya pala siya payat.
Yeah. Malawi.
Guys, this is variegated.
Simayurum, the other one.
1734. Collection number 1734.
1734.
1734. Ang ganda nito. Durian?
Yeah, that's durian. And I'm surprised that my durian grows like that, not like mamiglos that are very
Kaya nga
short.
and then
And then
pabilog
choppy.
siya.
Yeah.
Oo.
This one is towering.
Oh, so we cannot control how this is BG Regale.
Yeah, this is regale, but I just got the smaller one because it's still very expensive.
Yes,
right now.
correct. Very expensive.
Uh,
Itong mga new lang dun sir, no? Pero nauuna ka kasi
that's Charon Sachs hybrid as well. This one is my own.
Looks like the lion's heart talaga.
Yeah. This
Oh.
one's my own too from
Sarili to ni Kon ha, Sir Royce, na hybrid.
Lolita.
Mm.
No pops yet.
Ito sir, ang ganda din.
That's a species. I forgot the name.
Purple ang kanyang
Under-
underleaf. Ito sir, This is not dwarf bonsel.
It's mini bonsel.
This is mini bonsel?
It's
Huh?
mini bonsel.
Akala ko
I don't know
iba.
why it looks like that now.
Correct. It's
It has darkened.
yeah, mukha na siyang black bonsel. Black na mini. And we're almost done. Ito ang ganda rin itong
AA
silver AA bonsel.
transmutation of the
Black Beauty. Yes.
This one is the Indonesian hybrid, the Turkey hybrid, Adios.
This is
The other one has
just
a difficult name.
sir, ano to?
Narteca. The other one, yeah, the
You
one,
remember?
the one, the at the other
Hybrid,
side,
yeah.
the one that I told you, that's also an Indonesian hybrid.
Mm.
Narteca.
Sir, ito nitida ba to?
Ha?
Elliptica.
Elliptica.
Ah, ito was nitida. Na variegated. Elliptica. Parehas ito, sir, yung nasa kabila.
Yeah.
This is
I know
the...
this is it's not the same.
Mm.
They have reverse parentage.
Ah, okay.
So this one is
Seed
the
donor
other one.
and then
Yeah,
seed
the
carrier.
reverse. These are my remaining Trifasciatus. Silver Queen.
Si sir is already shifting or is starting to collect. Starting ba, sir, or matagal ka na nangongolek ng Trifasciata?
Very long time already.
O with Trifasciata?
When I was growing Trifasciatus before Carlos, I think.
Ah, I see.
But all my Trifasciatus died. I even have a Trifasciata, the dwarf,
Mm.
grew this tall.
Ito, sir, bago lang to sa market
Uh,
para sa amin.
that's mini condo.
That's the mini condo. Guys, hindi na siya mini.
Hindi na siya mini. Condominium.
Oo. Hindi na siya mini. That's the mini condo pala pag kuno siya nag-mature. That's the mature form already.
Yeah.
That's the mature form already. So ito, sir, clone?
Ha?
This is the...
No, that is
Super clone?
Blue Dragon.
Oh?
It's found in Mafinga as well.
Yeah.
I forgot the number.
Guys, ako lang ha, the one you are naming Mafinga and then Bitalay na parang magkaiba, guys, they're actually the same.
Yeah, the same
Bitalay were collected from, Bitalays
Mafinga.
were collected from Mafinga or Mafinga. Kaya yung mga nagbebenta ng Mafinga tapos iba pa yung Bitalay.
They're the same species. This one is what's the name of that? Macrophylla.
Macrophylla variegated.
This one is
Ayan, this is also Kirky Eye, sir?
no.
Ano, not
yeah.
Kirky Eye, Pepito hybrid also?
This is Pepito. This is the real Tata.
Yeah, that's the
You can
Tata.
see Tata for sale.
Guys, if you have the journal, Sansevieria journal, Sir Royce actually discussed the different characteristic of Pepito hybrid Kirky Eye in issue 41, I think. Issue 41 ka, sir? 49. Issue 49. Andun yung kanyang article, yung article ni Sir Royce sa Pepito hybrids. This is also Pepito, sir, no? Yes?
Yeah, I think this is still newspaper.
The one sa nasa likod kanina.
Yeah.
And this,
It's supposed to be sent in Poland.
as well, okay.
It's, sent back.
This is also from Pastor Hernando.
Yeah.
That's from Pastor Hernando.
Masoniana, it's cylindrical.
Cylindrica, yeah. Masonian X Cylindrica, variegated this one.
Variegated.
This is called the Sansevieria Hybrid Fernando.
This is Tau-Tau.
Tau-tau palang basa doon?
Ha?
Tau-tau ang basa doon. Ako loko, tau-tau. Tau-tau pala siya, guys.
Pepito hybrid also.
This is also Pepito hybrid. That's also Pepito hybrid. The
And,
form,
it looks like Nena, but I think it's a different.
ang ganda ng form niya, sir.
Mm.
Ang ganda ng kanyang form, guys. It's rosette.
We think it's I think it's Angel, Pepito Angel. That's
Oh.
what he calls it. And this one we can't identify,
Unknown yet.
unknown Pepito hybrid.
And then some variegated. Sir, this one is Ehrenbergii eye.
Ha?
Ehrenbergii eye?
It's a sexy banana.
Yes.
I don't know the exact species.
Okay.
because they are very similar to Ruridas.
Mm. Guys, yun yung sinasabi ko na
Bruda.
kamukha nung
Ah,
sariling cultivar ni Sir. That's
yeah.
Bruda. Okay? Kasi malalaki yung dahon ng masonyanan ni Sir na
Oh yeah, yeah.
kaya I thought it was Bruda. But this is the Bruda. And then the one with the variegation on the middle na medyo pikta, that's Sir Royce's cultivar. This is bat?
Yeah, haliay.
Haliay
Original
bat
ay robusta.
robusta. Guys, ang haliay na variegated, do not expect it to grow as big as the regular.
The
Okay?
regular one.
This is also blue.
This one is Black Angel.
Black Angel. So that's also variegated.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi na siya masyadong lumalaki, guys. That's normal with variegated Sansevieria, except for this one. Because it really grows big. Sir, maganda rin to.
I think that's just macrophilia.
Huh? Really?
No. The other one, I'm starting to forget. The one from, I can't remember anymore. This is Dragon Wing,
Variegate. Ay, ang ganda ng
Yeah.
variegation ng heavy.
but it always,
Got burned.
yeah.
Gets burned. And then that one, alam ko yung makapal na yun. It's either blue dragon, that one, or black dragon. Or hindi.
I think this one.
Mm-mm.
Actually,
Sobrang.
This is
Hala!
Haki. This is a real Haki.
Okay.
There are also a lot of fake Hakis sold. So Haki, guys, or folks, is like cultivar of Horwood or Elliptica Horwood, because
Oh.
Elliptica Horwood grows very tall, and then Haki is like a cultivar of it. It has wider leaf but grows shorter leaves.
Shorter leaves. Ito, sir, na magandang dahon.
This one,
Try pa siya yan?
no.
No, it's not.
This one is from May, from UK.
Ate May? Ay, Ma'am May Sanggalang? Oh.
But I'm starting to forget the names.
Sorry, guys,
No.
Not Longiflora.
I think it is Longiflora. Variegated Longiflora.
Sorry, guys, doon sa bida-bida natin na that's Haki. Not Black Dragon or Blue Dragon. Kasi gano'n ang itsura ng Black Dragon, Blue Dragon ko. Kasi maliliit pa.
Original Elliptica Horwood. So you can see the leaves are longer.
Oh. Yun, okay.
That's the
So,
Horwood.
guys, cultivar is cultivated variegation, variety, not variegation, cultivated variety.
Variety, yeah.
Pag nagkaroon ng pop na iba ang itsura, tapos yun yung i-cultivate nila, and then ilang concern?
Ang,
Ilang dapat beses na anak bago mo?
you have to make sure that you're at the 4th generation of offset for you to call
Call
them
it. Yes.
a new cultivar, or for them to be accepted as a cultivar.
Yes. At least yung pang-apat na generation
Generation.
ng offset, kailangan ma-maintain pa rin niya yung ganun na characteristic para masabi mo siya na as
Yes.
cultivar. Otherwise, baka mag-revert sa kanyang second or third generation then it will not be considered as a new cultivar. Marami pa dito, guys.
This one is Merdeka, the one that's the same on the other.
Okay. So this is the Indonesian hybrid. Kirkii hybrid. Merdeka?
Merdeka.
Merdeka. Ayan siya, guys. Huwag mong iwan to, sir. It's also Pemba.
Babay.
Pemba Bay. Ang ganda ng kanyang pop. Ang ganda ng kulay. Usually, sir, itong mga Pemba, coppery yung kanyang...
Yeah.
Tapos ang ganda ng mga mottling nila. Ito rin, sir, iba rin ang kanyang...
I'm beginning to forget. This is a hybrid, I think.
It's also
Dark Knight.
hybrid Dark Knight.
Indonesian hybrid din yata yun.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanyang form and kulay.
That one is very rare and very hard to grow. I'm having difficulty of growing it.
Sir is already an expert, but
African Don.
yeah. This is the African Don. Okay.
Got the dawnish color here.
Yes. So I learned about African Don with Ma'am Rochelle sa kanyang collection. So, now, nakita ko na yung personal na African doon. Kasi hindi ko pa,
Very hard to grow.
hindi ko pa nakita. Ito na siguro, sir, yung ni Kitty na malaki.
No, this is Pemba type 4. This is type 4. It's
Guys, ang ganda ng marking talaga ng mga Pemba. Grabe.
this one is the big watermark.
Pag nag-mature ang watermark, hindi pa tayo makarelate guys kasi small size pa lang yung sa atin. Small size pa lang yung ganito ko sir eh. Kaya hindi ako makarelate.
This is my hybrid of Masoniana and Obritiana.
Oo! Ang ganda ng form niya.
I think I have to transfer it to a larger pot so it can grow like. This one is the darker version.
So the same lang yan sir na kon
Yeah.
mo.
Masoniana
X
crossed with
Obrechana.
Obritiana. This one as well, I think, but they're different.
Different
siblings.
growing behavior.
This one too.
Ayan. So, ang kanyang ID ay nasa kwan pa lang siya, collection number pa lang. Ni Sir, code ni Sir Royce.
Vitale.
Kirky Eye Hybrid. Pipito.
Pepito, yeah.
Sir, ito.
I think that's a hybrid of Turkey Eye and Obritiana. What's the name? I so forgot.
Ang ganda ng kulay niya guys sa base niya. Oh. This is hybrid of Kirky Eye and Obrechana. Obrechana guys is a species.
Yeah.
Okay, hindi siya kapatid ng mga Trifasciata. Ito sir. Bitali?
Vitale. I can't remember the
Yeah.
number. If I see the videos again. This is Danny Nikiti.
Let's see.
But it's still small.
Pero ang dami mo na sir, tatlo na yan. This is Nikiti Natsi guys. Guys, last time I inquired, this is still around 10,000 and more. And Sir Royce has 3.
Mas malaki yan kay I forgot the name. Sir Rosario? Ato?
Ato, Sir Ato. Okay.
Malaki yung sa kanya. And this is with 3i.
Yes. Aluitri Eye or the one they called Midnight.
Yeah, the
Midnight Fountain.
Midnight Malawi.
Yeah. Midnight Malawi. Midnight Fountain pala is one pala yun. Iba pala yun. Oh guys, nasa end na tayo.
Yeah. This one is Pipito Hybrid Evangeline.
This is the Evangeline.
Yeah. That's just Eleanor.
Eleanor.
This is Tata.
That's the tata. Guy, tao-tao ha, hindi tao-tao. This is Nitida.
There is Tau Tau and there is Tata.
Oh yeah, okay. Tao-tao guys kasi is T-A-U-T-A-U.
Yeah, and this
So,
is just T-A-T-A.
when I'm reading it sa journal, I read it as tao-tao. Oh, another hybrid from Sir Royce coming soon.
Yeah, this is Coppertone.
The seed bearer
From,
is a
Coppertone.
copper tone.
This one we can't identify.
Oh, no name yet.
This is the tall. We got it from Pipito Mercado as well.
Oh.
But I think that's already a species.
This is also from Attorney Pipito.
Yeah.
The Pipito hybrid is from Attorney Pipito. So this one is not yet named. Either it's a hybrid or a species.
But most probably species.
But most probably is a species. And more here. So yun ba yung real na Obrechana?
Yeah, that's Obritiana. And this Trifasciata is also my own cultivar.
Oo. Meron siyang green
Yeah,
margin
green margin.
sa gilid. Oh, green margins on the edges of the leaves. Ayan siya oh.
There's the pop.
Oh, yun yung offset. At least guys, 4 generations before you call it as your cultivar. Not because nagpalit lang siya ng form, nagpalit ng kulay, it's already a cultivar. No, it's not like that.
One is Dancing Dragon.
May dancing drum. Buti pa si sir, may pop na. Yung sa akin, naunang bulaklak.
This already bloomed. That's why the center part is
Cut.
looks like that.
Ay, yung mga kwan mo
Yeah.
sir, hybrid mo doon.
This is Kirky Bar.
Kirky Eye. Guys, meron nung ganito pero hindi
mo
pa siya
naabutan
hindi pa siya
yung-
ganito kalaki. Ang laki niya, and then meron na siyang bulaklak. So ano ng type ng bulaklak yun nito? Capitulate?
Capitulate.
Capitulate. Para siyang pom-pom.
Yeah.
This is one way to identify it's a Kirky eye dahil sa ganyan ang kanyang bulaklak.
I think this is the white giant, Metallica white giant.
White Giant Metallica.
And then this is the metallic silver turkey.
This is metallic silver Kirky with
You have,
seeds.
yeah.
With seeds already. So,
So, Tito Mercado hybrid, we can't identify it.
yet. Guys ha, not because this is flat leaves, this is Trifasciata. This is Metallica. Look at the leaves, at the same time you can also look at the rhizome.
Right, so,
They have different colors.
this is the other consida.
Ayan, medyo malalaki to kumpara kanina sa dwarf, and this is variegated. Marami pa dito guys, pero hindi na natin pupuntahan because this is already 1 hour.
There are more there.
There are more there.
There's your vanilosa over there.
Ala, grabe ka naman sir, isang timba yung vanilla.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng hindi ko puntahan yon. Because guys, I love
Already on the garage part.
Vanilosa. Kasi iba yung kanyang, oh see, this is also coppery. Coppery ang kanyang kulay. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng mga mottling nila.
Yeah, ito na talaga. We have to,
Tapos yung kay Sir O, apat yung pop guys. And then andun ang kanyang beauty queen. Beauty queen ba yun, sir?
Beauty queen, yeah.
Oh, that's beauty queen. Guys, meron tayong dalawang klase. Ano yun po yung isa?
Beauty Queen and then that's Beauty Queen and Sarah Hoffman.
Oh,
There.
Sarah Hoffman and Beauty Queen.
The one with the more greens or Sarah Hoffman.
Sarah Hoffman has a wider green edge kumpara sa Beauty Queen. Puntahan natin. Doon tayo mag-end. Garage na to, guys. Sorry kung mabilis. Baka mahilo na naman yung mga nanonood na iba. If you get dizzy, I'm really sorry.
Yun din yung comment yun
Para same tayo, sir. Yun yung usually
very
fast pacing. Oh. So this is Sarah Hoffman because it has the green line on the edge is wider kumpara sa Beauty Queen. So this is Beauty Queen. So the edge, the green edge is thinner
Very thin.
compared sa Sarah Hoffman. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Medyo napagod ako. I'm out of breath. So we will end our video here. I will have another episode coming from Mami Gloria's garden. So this is Sir Royce's garden. So if you like my videos, please do consider subscribing, like, and then share. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. See you later.